Orko. Let's try more Smith, I think. So I've got a bit of pressure. I'll put the rook on d1 to try and threaten e5 sometimes. Something about this bishop where it can go bishop e3 maybe to ip6. Play a5 and a4 a5. I was e5, but then there's d5. Probing knight d4, maybe knight e6 is possible, or f4. F3 for a moment, though. B4, the knight moves back. I could do that. Knight takes e6 here to get about 3 pawns. This will be piece down for 3 pawns. Is that worth it? Probably. It's Blitz. It's early morning Blitz though. So I'm hoping it's difficult to defend d7. He's got just queen e7. Rook d7 and rook b7. Okay, it might be difficult then. So queen e7 might not be possible. Knight e5. Right here, I've got bishop takes b6 to win another pawn. And queen e7. Or rook d1 first, and there's queen c7. Okay, so I think try and win another pawn because queen e7, bishop c5. Knight takes though. Okay, so that leaves the other one back. Rook d1, queen c7. What to do about this knight? Actually, this knight's on pre anyway. Knight d5 first to stop queen e7's threat, and bishop takes b6. So bishop takes b6 here. Queen e8. Maybe the knight c7. Or rook takes c7. Oh, he's on this rook. So for the moment, bishop e3 to protect the rook. So we're threatening rook d7 or rook c8 at some point to try and win material. Where's the queen going to go? Okay. So knight takes f4, there's bishop d6. Bishop f4, knight f4. Maybe that's the best. Just play bishop f4. Okay. Just protect the rooks. Or rook c8. Set rook c8 and coming to c2 is dangerous, isn't it? So d6 is in pre, so okay, I'll just double the rooks. So if I take on c8, or is anything better? I can take on a6 after. I'll take on c8 because the back row might be weak. Oh, there's queen f8. That's not possible. Oh, I can take on a6. I'll try to take it with the rook, I think. So I've got a few pawns for the piece. 4 pawns for the piece. It's just my king safety factor now. It's a big concern. If I can play rook d8 though, rook d6, it might discourage any rook infiltration. Nope. I'll take the rook. Unless there's knight f3 and queen d6. Okay, what about rook c1 and queen f1? Rook d6, knight f3 takes, queen takes d6. There's rook c1. What am I talking about? I think I can do this. Everything's kind of active. B5. Trying to get these pawns going. I might just something like rook d5 actually. Rook d2. Trying to shield queen and rook coordinations. So here, I don't know, queen takes d1 or rook takes d1? Queen takes d1, threatens like rook d8. But then there's queen e3, king moves. Say there, queen takes d2. Oh, not queen takes d2. There's no queen takes d2, I hope. So the rook d8 is threatened. Is there anything cheeky here? Can I just play h3 next? Or rook d8. It's queen a3, rook d8. Yeah. That's a bit of a concern. Yeah. Let's check. This b6, rook d3, rook c1. b6. No. That looks dire. Yeah. Ouch. I'll just have to get up the exchange or something. There's rook c1 here. B6 is a threat. K6 and B6. K6, K7, B7. Oh, I'm going to get mated with his king coming in. It's a G3, if I'm not careful. King F4, King H2 maybe. So will I have time for A6 and Rook A8? Doubt it. Hang on. Maybe. 13 seconds though, so I'm going to do some pre-moves, I think. Seconds. Draw. Yep, I think it's draw by repetition. Oh, blimey, what a game. Ouch, this is just awful. This is just so awful. I don't usually get up this early in my defence. Oh, this looked really good though at some point. But, yeah, there's knight f4. I think was quite good. Black had a lot of pressure here. So giving up the a6 pawn. But now, I mean, this is starting to be really dangerous. So this knight d3, nice move. I thought it was all over there. So, yeah, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.